Welcome friends. In this video we will do data types in Java, and let's see what is data type. Here the definition, it says a data type in programming is a classification of data that tells a computer how to interpret the data's value. Data types define the set of values and operations that can be performed on those value. Okay, and all this concept is about the data type we will do with example in the following videos. And in data types in Java we have some kinds of data type. First of all, we are dividing into primitive data type and non-primitive, and under this primitive data type again we have numeric data type and non-numeric, and under this numeric we have integer and floating, and this floating point we also call the real number data type. Okay, and in this non-numeric data type we have character and boolean. And on the other hand, in non-primitive data type we have class, array, interface, object and string. Okay, all these data type we will do programming with example in the next video, and you will understand more when we do the practical on these different types of data type. So in the next video we will do this integer data type, what are the types of integer and how to write the integer data type in Java programming. So let's go to the next video.